Hey guys, what's up? I'm not dead, I'm alive. I'm posting again. The reason I'm posting is because the Sirocco is gone. I had to get rid of it. Needed room in the garage because there was a better opportunity available. And that opportunity presented itself. That opportunity presented itself in the form of a 1998 BMW 540i 6-speed manual transmission. It's got 160,000 miles on it. The V8 with the M Sport package. Maybe it doesn't have the M Sport package. Maybe he just sold it to me on that. But the point is, we've got a rear-wheel drive V8 manual again, and it is in actual real decent shape. You know, old guys love their car bras. That's obviously going to have to go. There are a few cosmetic issues, a few little functionality issues. Nothing that we can't handle though. So the exterior is actually in really good shape. The paint is good. The car is filthy because it's been sitting out for a couple months. But it's got the nice, I don't know if those are the M Sport wheels or if those are the standard 540i wheels. And it's got a 5th full-size spare. As we go inside, it's got the beige leather interior. A little bit of tearing in the seat from wear, but nothing too serious. The rear is dirty, but it's in actually really great condition. No cracks in the dashboard, which is nice. And of course, 6-speed manual transmission. Transmission shifts pretty well. It's a little sloppy. I'm thinking about doing a short shift kit on it. You know, there's a few little things. This cracked cigarette ashtray holder cover. But other than that, the interior is actually in really good shape too. The biggest issue is there is an intake manifold leak. So if we start it up, so yeah, you can see it misfiring, and obviously it's throwing some codes. There are some lights out. The license plate lights and the reverse lights are out, but I was actually able to drive it home about 20 miles last night without any issues. Again, it feels like it's running on about 4 cylinders instead of 8, and so it's definitely not fast or peppy at this point, or torquey. But that should be fixed with a simple intake manifold gasket redo and a few other things. I've got new spark plugs on the way. I've got a new visor clip on the way, and then hard to see right now, but that mirror, that rear view mirror, the glass is out, so I've got new glass coming there. Trying to think what else we've got. Oh yeah, in the rear, this door, the rear door, does not actually open or latch because the front door handle broke and was replaced with the rear door handle. So this one is there, so I've got a new one to come here on the inside, so in the meantime that's not working. Windows in this era of BMW are always an issue, so this one and both the rear windows came off the track and are just being held up with some plastic knives, so that'll have to be fixed. You hear the exhaust note. Yeah, it's definitely not running smoothly, but it is in great shape, and I didn't pay a whole lot of money for it. In fact, I paid hardly anything for it. And yeah, very excited. Also going to be doing a new steering wheel cover. This one is all ratty and old, so I'll be cutting this one off. I've got a new one on order that we'll be putting on there. Let me think what else. Let's go to the engine. So yeah, the the bra is definitely coming off. Pop it up. There you see the big V8. All its glory. Obviously not running great, but it's got a lot of new stuff in it. It's got a new air filter here. It's got a new mass airflow sensor. Basically a lot of new stuff around the intake area, except for the gaskets. So we'll be taking off the cover, taking off the fuel rails, taking off the intake, new gaskets, and hopefully that solves our misfiring issue. But other than that, the brakes are great. You know, it's really dirty, obviously, still. But the brakes are great. It's a really cool car, and I've actually wanted one of these for a long, long time. Either an M5 or a 540i, because you know, they're basically the same car. The M5 is slightly different tuning and all that stuff, but same basic structure. And this is going to be, once it's all finished, this will be my new daily driver. So very excited about the new 540i, new to me 540i. Also probably be doing some headlight restoration on those, and obviously doing a nice clean. But man, good shape, good shape. I couldn't take having the bra in there any longer. I ripped it off. You know, that's a fun little surprise to find. Got some interesting body work happening here. I'm not sure what to make of it. But I'll be taking that off, either doing a repair with some fiberglass, or maybe even doing a whole new bumper cover. But that was that was funny to find that. Let's take the top part of the bro off here, if I can. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why. I should say, people of a certain generation seem to really like these car bra things. It boggles my mind, but hey, to each their own. I'm going to get this thing off as fast as possible. Yeah, it'd probably be easier with two hands, but you know what? We want to see it. We want to show you. Alright. Oh, these are hideous. What is that even? Let's go right in the bin. Okay. Alright, we're going to start cleaning it up. I've got parts ordered, lots of gaskets, the intake, some interior stuff. Got the door handle. We'll go through, like I said, we'll clean this up. Yeah, definitely clean it up. And fix that little mess right there. It doesn't seem very safe, but great car. We'll restore those headlights, and this is gonna be a great speedy little commuting sedan. So that's it. That's the new project. That's the new Rusty Toolbox car. It's the 1998 BMW 540i 6-speed manual, the V8. Going to take care of that motor issue. So the next episode we'll start tearing stuff down, taking off the cover of the motor cover, the fuel rail, and the intake manifold, so we can get to those gaskets, replace those. Hopefully that cures our misfire issue. If it doesn't, then we'll have some bigger problems on our hand. But yeah, after that, then it's just cleaning it up. We'll do maybe some minor mods to the car, I think the exhaust note could be a little bit punchier. And I think, I don't know, we might do some kind of intake system to up the noise, you know, maybe get a bump in horsepower or two, but nothing crazy. But there's definitely a lot you can do with this car. It's great from the factory, so I don't want to do too much to it. Like I said, I'm thinking about a short shift kit to clean up those shifts and make it a little sportier. And then maybe we'll reupholster that front seat. But there's not a lot to do on it right now. So right now, once we get the parts, we'll get it taken care of. I want to say thank you to everybody who has been subscribing to the channel, catching old videos, and hopefully enjoying catching up on the Volvo project that fell through, seeing the Scirocco, and now finally a car that I can hold on to and really put some time and muscle into it. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Give us a like and subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, there's going to be a huge giveaway. I'm going to be giving away shirts and stickers and fun stuff like that. So tell your friends, and we'll see you soon. It's not going to be a several month gap between videos like it was last time. Thanks.